Taj Mughal, India. The Taj Mughal, originally the Rosa I Munawwara, is an ivory, white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mughal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. Best time to visit. The Taj Mughal is open from sunrise to sunset every day, except Friday, but the absolute best time to go is right at sunrise. Location: Agra, Uttar Pradesh. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest and largest of the pyramids in the Giza Pyramid complex bordering present-day Giza in Greater Cairo, Egypt. It is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and the only one to remain largely intact. Best time to visit. Weather-wise, the best time to visit Egypt is probably from October to April, as these months have pleasant temperatures. December and January are peak tourist season, so sites like the pyramids of Giza, along with the temples of Luxor and Abu Simbel, are notoriously crowded. Location: Egypt.
Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is an Incan citadel, set high in the Andes Mountains in Peru, above the Urubamba River Valley. Built in the 15th century and later abandoned, it's renowned for its sophisticated dry stone walls that fuse huge blocks without the use of mortar, intriguing buildings that play on astronomical alignments and panoramic views. Its exact former use remains a mystery. Best time to visit: April and May. The rainy season has passed, the mountains are emerald, and it isn't as crowded as July to August. Local people often visit for the Festival of the Sun, Inti Raymi, at the end of June. May to October are generally clear and dry, although cool at night. Location: Peru. The Great Wall of China, China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states and Imperial China, as protection against various nomadic groups from the Eurasian steppe. Several walls were built from as early as the 7th century BC, with selective stretches later joined together by Qin Shi Huang, 22206 BC, the first emperor of China. Little of the Qin wall remains. The most well-known sections of the wall were built by the Ming Dynasty year 1368 to 1644. Best time to visit: April to May, and autumn, September to November. Summer is the peak season. With exhausting heat and popular sections get very crowded, and in winter it's cold and even icy, but there's almost no crowding. Location: China.
Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Created by French sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa in collaboration with French engineer Albert Caquot. Romanian sculptor Gheorghe Leonida fashioned the face. Best time to visit: the best time to go is early in the morning, during the week before 8:30 am or late afternoon after 3:30 pm when there are few crowds, less heat and better visibility. Location: Rio de Janeiro, RJ, Brazil.
Chichen Itza, Mexico. Chichen Itza is a complex of Mayan ruins on Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. A massive step pyramid, known as El Castillo or Temple of Kukulkan, dominates the ancient city, which thrived from around 600 AD to the 1200. Graphic stone carvings survive at structures like the Ball Court, Temple of the Warriors, and the Wall of the Skulls. Nightly sound and light shows illuminate the building's sophisticated geometry. Best time to visit: The best time during the day is between 8 and 11 am, and if you are not an early bird, you can get there between 2 and 3 pm. Location: Mexico.
Petra, Jordan. Petra is a famous archaeological site in Jordan's southwestern desert. Dating to around 300 BC, it was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. Accessed via a narrow canyon called Al-Sik, it contains tombs and temples carved into pink sandstone cliffs, earning its nickname, the Rose City. Perhaps its most famous structure is 45-meter high Al-Khajneh, a temple with an ornate, Greek-style facade, and known as the Treasury. Best time to visit: the spring and autumn, April, May, October and November, as it's dry, not too hot and the crowds are smaller. Summers can get hot, with August average temperatures from 17 to 34 degrees Celsius, 67 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit, and not much shade on site. Location: Jordan.